Is it so dark here? Yeah, I know. Who owns this place? I don't know. What the hell is that? I don't know. Yeah, same. Beep, 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 beep. I'm gonna press it. Its name is Huggy. Huggy Wuggy. He can squeeze you till you pop. Haha. Your friend Huggy. Huggy Wuggy. He can squeeze you till you pop. What the hell was that? A theme song? I like songs. So cute! I'm gonna grab that key. Wait, don't. It might be a trap. Don't worry about her. Yeah, she could fend for herself. Got it. Why didn't you make that giant toy have the chocolate? It's gonna eat it. If it's alive, it will. Come on, let's go find the door. There. Now let's go. Okay. Okay. Wow, where are we? The window you said opened. Now how do you fix this? You hear that? Nope. Not at all. Okay, the power's on. Yay! Woohoo! Great, finally. Now let's go see that scene. Huggy Wuggy, I guess. It is so colorful. Where did it go? Oh, we're not alive! No, we're not. It's so wait. Huggy's gone. Oh. What, guys? What? I don't want to die. Whee! We did it, haha. Yay! Thank God. We did it, haha. Let me have that. Yummy. You open my cage. Give her back. What the hell is that? Oh my God, I hate spiders. What the? You had to play 3 games to get her back. And I will give you the trinkets when you finish a game. Game? I don't have time for your stupid games. And I will give you Poppy. Give me back, you bee! Now, we don't say that word around here. What did this say? She said the B word. Oh my God. Just don't say that. Oh man, monsters. See? Give me back Poppy. No.